So guys, in the beginning, the left one, foreign mission and government, it's just only for us, from MOFA side. The entry will be through UAE pass only. So you will use Edas 2.0 login with UAE pass. Here, you will put your phone number, your email, and you will be able to join. Okay, guys? As an example, guys, here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 companies because he linked all of this company under one mobile number or one email. So when he enter through UAE Pass, he will be able to find them all. If you want to register a new company, you will just click on the right side. Okay, guys, you will find this registration button, as we said before, but it will be from the system. So when you register this one, you will link it to the UAE Pass you already used. The license issuing authority, as example, Dubai, name of the business, as per trade license, exactly the same, trade license number, and you will choose a license issue date. Guys, the trade license must be active, not expired. Here, if you will be able to choose if it is DET or free zone. If it is free zone, click in Maidan free zone because you will be able to choose where exactly on free zone. You will click on proceed. Until license issuing authority, it will become from the first page. You will add the expiry date. Guys, I'm going through the registration process now. Okay. After that, you will choose the legal type that it is from the trade license. Okay, guys, we will come to the most important thing: company registered email address and company contact number. Guys, when you want to link the email or the mobile number with the UAE pass, on this one, guys, not on the company representative detail. On the company representative detail, it will not be taken. Okay, guys, only the company registered email address and the company contact number. I have some companies trying to join by this number. Where is it? The company representative detail. Okay, guys, here is the one, the company registered email, this one, and the company contact number. How you get the approval for it? Guys, you will find upload trade license. Okay, and here you will upload authorization letter. What you need to put at the authorization letter: the employee name, the email address you want to register, the mobile number you want to register, the company stamp at the end is the signature. You will find, guys, in the below here what you need to put at the authorization letter, no matter what for the format. Okay, this is the company representative detail. This you will add user later, guys. You will put the full name, designation, the UAE pass detail for them, not for you guys. Okay, it will be company representative detail. It will be different thing. You will verify company contact number. You will verify not this number, guys, this number. Okay. You will receive OTP. You will submit the OTP. We will receive your request, even if you want to register a company on your UAE pass. So it must be the same because you will link it as the same thing. That's only for the companies who already registered on Edas 2.0. Okay, guys, we will receive your registration. Our officer will check. If you get the approval, as here, Kitab LLC will be added to your companies, to your group of the companies. So now, when you check, you will find all of the company linked with one UAE pass. Okay, guys. So this is how to add a company on the registration with the registered account. Okay, this is the side menu. Every importer company will find it in the system. When they click on the setting, there is a dashboard, company profile, access control, mandatory attestation, certificate of origin attestation, optional attestation, and report guide. Everything will be shown on the dashboard. Here is, guys, what I need to show you. Every number is coming to your account, it will be showing. Guys, you will receive all the document on PDF file. Every information will be here. Okay. This is if you want to need to create a group company, so it's not that important from our side. Okay, guys, from now I will teach you how to add user. So, guys, this is for PROs and agents and broker who want to attest for their customer. Okay, guys, the importer company need to create account in Edas 2.0. Okay, guys, you will find here access control. Okay, at the right side, you will find add button. Okay, here you will find add button. You will click on the add button. Okay, guys, when you click on the add button, you will find details. Okay, the company, it will be the same because you will add sub user to your account there. So you will give them access to your account. You will put the Emirates ID, the email ID, the mobile number, the role of people you want to give them the access, display name. You will put any name if you want to put the company name, the person name, access profile, and the company name again for a reference. Here, guys, you will add the UAE pass detail for the companies. Okay, guys, the email ID or the mobile number. So they will be joined through this email and this phone number, guys. Okay. So after that, we will ask me what is about access profile. Access profile is the limitation you want to give to agents or to your employee as an operational management. Okay, guys, you will click on save. As an example, this is the detail, guys. Emirates ID, email ID, phone number, user, the name, access profile. Okay, guys. The access profile is for reports, guys. If you want to give them access for mandatory attestation, for optional attestation for the exporter company. Okay, guys, when you're done, you will click on save. The company would show like this, or the user, because it will be a person like this, because you will not be able to add. If you want to add every user, you need to do the same thing, and you have unlimited number, so you can add as many as you like. Okay, guys, we want to see. Okay, guys, let's go through mandatory attestation. Guys, you will receive the bill of entry in your account. Okay, guys, you will click on mandatory attestation. It will show for you everything. The complete, the pending, the completing, the pending invoice approval. So the pending is the bill of entry that coming from the local custom authority. So when you clear your custom declaration with the customs, after that, the bill of entry will come to your account. So you will do the attestation after the bill of entry, guys. So it will be pending right here. When you done the attestation, it will show on the completed. For the pending invoice approval, guys, the invoice approval is different thing, because when you done the attestation for the bill of entry, that attestation on the data, you will have an option. You can attest the physical invoice. Okay, you can attest to the physical invoice. So you will have an option to upload the physical invoice. But if you want the attestation on the physical invoice, also you have to upload the certificate of origin with it. There is no charge more will be added. You need to pay 300, 150 for invoice and 150 for certificate of origin. And you will upload both of them, but it will take some time to get the approval, guys. It will show here for the pending invoice approval. Okay, guys, as an example here, this is a mandatory attestation. So this is how it will come to your system. Attestation number. This is the declaration number, declaration date, the invoice amount, the fees. Guys, the fees it will not be 150, it will be 300, because it will be 150 for the invoice and 150 for the certificate of origin. You will click on this here and you can pay. Guys, if you want to pay all, you click on this button, or you can choose what you want to pay. When you click, guys, you will have option. Oh, okay, guys, this is the view button on the right side. Okay, if you want to check the details of the declaration of the bill of entry, You will click on the eye, you will be able to see every detail for this bill of entry. Okay, guys, this is a sample review. When you done the payment, you will find pay all. So guys, you will find pay and pay for invoice and certificate of origin. So please guys, use base for invoice and certificate of origin. You will done everything. Okay, guys? Edas 1 is not taking, guys. For the people who are asking, telling we have Edas 1, it will not be taking. For certificate of origin details, here's guys, as I told you, pay certificate of origin, pay certificate of origin and the invoice, use pay certificate of origin and the invoice. And one more thing, guys, I want to add. When you attest, if you have one declaration, and this declaration have more like, as an example, 10 commercial invoice, for each bill of entry, you want to attest one certificate of origin. So as an example, you have 10 commercial invoice with one bill of entry. You will pay 1,500 as a total for the invoices, and you will pay more 150 for certificate of origin. So each bill of entry equal one certificate of origin to attest. Okay, guys? It will show you like the detail of the payment. You will click pay. Here, there's example attestation fees for the commercial invoice, one invoice, and one certificate of origin fees. Okay, guys, you will click on pay. You will add your card. If you had, we have Samsung Pay, we have Apple Pay, guys. We have all of the option. The transaction is succeed. It will show you like this. Status is completed from our side, guys. It will show you when you done the payment. If it is, there is no link because there is no linking system as Edas 1 for the linking system. Okay, guys. Here you will find the document. When you finish, guys, with the attestation detail, guys, for the people who are asking, we want the PDF. Here is the attestation. There is the receipt and the receipt one. Okay, guys, for the upload, you will click on the upload to get the physical document attestation. Here you will be able to find the receipt for the attestation on the data. Is that clear, guys? Here's an example for the receipt. You will find the transaction, the date and time, and everything. Guys, as I told you, for sending the document, you will click on upload. You will upload the actual invoice you want to attest, and you need to upload certificate of origin. So anyone want the attestation on the physical invoice, you need to bring certificate of origin. Is that clear? After that, you will click send for approval. We will receive your your commercial invoice and certificate of origin. Guys, if someone upload the commercial invoice twice, it will get rejected and it will get returned to you. From the beginning, guys, told you guys, do not call the call center and they told them we have an issue or they get returned because we are uploading a commercial invoice. You need to upload the commercial invoice and the certificate of origin, both of them. Physical invoice sent for approval. Guys, we will receive it as our customer. Happiness will receive it. Okay, guys. Here's an example is approved. We will give you our comment as an example. This is all the pending that need physical attestation. Also, if you get rejection, you will get the reason why you get rejection. If you get return the invoice to amend on it, you will be able to amend on the certificate origin. I think this everything, guys. This is gate is repeated, so I already explained most of the thing, guys. Just a second. Guys, for the people who are asking me for why certificate of origin. Certificate of origin is mandatory from the beginning. Okay, guys? From the beginning, certificate of origin is mandatory by Cabinet Law number 38 of 2022, attestation of certificate of origin before the commercial invoice. But Ministry of Foreign Affairs postponed the certificate of origin to make attestation easier for the customers and to welcoming for you for the new system. But we already passed 2 years for the launching, and guys, the certificate of origin is mandatory with no option. Guys, about declaration from only 1st of September will be taken. Guys, do not use Edas one. That's it. Is that clear? Guys, as I told you, if the shipment do not have certificate of origin, you need to make the payment. You don't need to upload anything on the portal. If you want the attestation on the physical commercial invoice, you upload the commercial invoice, and you can go to Dubai Chamber or any chamber in UAE, and they can create for you a certificate of origin. For the people who asking for the duty exemption, guys, the duty exemption will be through Moyat. That's it. It will be the same thing. You will do the attestation through Moyat, and that's it. Don't worry about it, guys. This is the only reason, the only way to attest before the bill of entry is through Moyat for the duty exemption. Is that clear? And for the people who asking what is the mandatory commercial invoice is the invoice import from rest of the world to the local market. And guys, free zone to the local market need to attest, but must be above 10,000 dirham, because free zone consider as foreign country. Okay, guys, thank you all for joining. Guys, please stop sharing questions because I will not be able to answer them. Okay, I will share with you a link for user guide. Guys, you can see the question is repeated. Just give me a second, guys. Mr. Navod, can you share the user guide on the chat and you flag it, please? Yes, Lamco, please. I'm sharing the user guide. Do not stop, please, sharing questions, guys. Guys, one more thing. Yes, I have a question. Just Navod, please share the user guide. For the companies, it's outside United Arab Emirates. If they want to attest as an export, okay, guys, they need to create a UAE pass. You will have an option to create an UAE pass. After that, you register your company. You need to contact with UAE pass. You will have limited access for UAE pass, and you can create account on Edas 2.0. Mr. Navod, you are able to hear me? Okay, guys. I will check if I have the user guide manual to share it with you. Thank you all for joining the training, guys. Okay. I answer most of the issues. Just guys, give me a second. Guys, I will share with you a link for the videos. Okay, for now, it's also, you can be used as a user guide. Okay. The other user guide maybe have some issues. Guys, stop sharing question on the chat. I cannot answer all of this question, guys. You can see there is 20 question by second, guys. Guys, please take this video. I shared it, guys, on the chat. So please, if it's not working on your laptop, just try it on your phone, because I'm 100% is working. As we are like update this link day by day. So if we add anything more, you will find how to add user, how to do that station. If you have an issue with UAE pass, because sometimes, most of the time, guys, the issue is not with the UAE pass, guys. It is about the customer behavior, guys. So you do something wrong in the beginning when you do the registration. After that, it lead, guys. I'm already sharing the link, guys. I'm sharing the link now. 3 times I shared. Okay, it lead to mismatch. Is that clear? Thank you all for joining the training. Also, we have a training at 3 p.m. Thank you all for joining. Thank you.